It's a lot harder to see it, but foam core has a grain direction just like cardboard does. And that means that foam core is going to behave differently in one direction versus the other direction. If you buy a full sheet of foam core like this, the grain direction is usually along the long edge. But if you have a smaller piece of foam core, like this one here, and you don't remember which way the grain direction goes, there is a way to figure it out. So you've probably already noticed that this piece of foam core has a rectangle cut out of the top corner, which you can see right here. And there's also these colored lines that correspond to the larger sheet of foam core. And so to determine which way the grain direction is, what we're going to do is we're going to try to bend this sheet. And you should feel that it's kind of stiffer in one direction over the other. And kind of the surefire way to tell is to actually try to go ahead and make a bend in this smaller piece of rectangle, this small rectangular piece of foam core. And so if you get in one direction, you kind of get more of a snap when you bend it. And in the other direction, you kind of just get a mush. So that was a snap. This way you get kind of a mushy corner. Then you know the direction that it snapped in is going against the grain. So the snap direction is going to be perpendicular to the grain direction. So that way, since this little rectangle snapped when I tried to bend it in along the black direction, I know the grain direction is going to be along the purple direction. So we can go ahead and mark that right here. And now you'll know which way the grain direction is for the rest of the sheet of foam core.